So welcome to TronZ. What is this TronZ? TronZ is an international crowdfunding platform or a program that you can say, which is built on the Tron blockchain. So basically, when it said that it's built on the Tron blockchain, it means this total program of the international crowdfunding, it's built on the Tron blockchain. Now, they say that TronZ is the world's first Tron network platform with Thanksgiving cryptocurrency model. So this is what makes TronZ different from all the programs out there. The official website to access TronZ is www.tronz.world. I think it's going to be launched very soon, and we can see all the information there at www.trons.world. So very quickly now going into the program. Okay, before we speak further about what this platform is all about, first of all, we need to understand that this is a complete crowdfunding platform. So how crowdfunding works, how crowdfunding has created a revolution across the globe. We can go to Google and view a lot of videos about the history of crowdfunding, how powerful this crowdfunding is. Now, TronZ, why this particular program is special? It's because there is crowdfunding combined with a very powerful TZC token. That's the TronZ is going to have its own TZC token. So that's what separates this TronZ program from the rest of all the programs out there in the market. Now let's speak about what is this crowdfunding. Basically, the TronZ crowdfunding program, it is a decentralized software code. Now when we say it's a decentralized software code, the most common language used for this kind of a decentralized software code is a smart contract. So if you look at the first line, they say it is the decentralized code which is a verified P2P. It means peer-to-peer smart contract. It's deployed on the Tron network by real-time blockchain experts. Now, this TronZ decentralized software code can be easily accessed by anyone. It means, basically it's visible for everyone to check on the Tron blockchain. Since it is a smart contract, it's 100% decentralized, it's risk-free, and is built on zero interference model. Means no human being is required to run this program after it's deployed on the Tron blockchain. It's immutable. No, once it is deployed, nobody can change a full stop or a comma of the program, and it's 100% peer-to-peer framework. And what TronZ also promises is it's instant transfer of payments directly into the TRX wallet. Now, neither there is any admin fee, nor there is any admin who can control this full system. The program can be controlled from your smartphone. Now, that's the specialty about this TronZ crowdfunding program. Now, if you look at the TZC tokens or the Tron's own token, now most of the focus of that TZC token is going to be in the gaming industry, and it's going to be a very fantastic run for the TZC tokens, right from using the TZC tokens in the gaming industry, as well as exchanging it for any of the other currency. Okay, so now the Tron's community, the way this crowdfunding community is going to be built, it will be built across the globe, and it's going to have a very huge community base. And that, with that reason, what is projected is that the TZC tokens can spike its value. The next thing, if we see the first initial exchange offer, which is going to happen within the community, it will start from fourth quarter of 2020. It means we are almost all at the ending of third quarter of 2020. The fourth quarter might start from October. The best part is, the IEVO offer price will start at 1 cent. So there is something called a phase one that's written. We can discuss about this phase one in the next slides. Now, in the first quarter of 2021, what Tron's promise, the community is going to have their own exchange. And it's also said, since these TZC tokens are limited and fixed, grab the opportunity by participating in the Tron's crowdfunding platform. Okay, so first let's look at this crowdfunding, how this crowdfunding is going to work, how different is it from all the other plans in the market right now. Okay, so basically, if anyone has to get into this Tron's crowdfunding package, they have to, Tron's crowdfunding program, they have to start from a Tron's package. If you look at the packages, so there is a package that has been designed So when we would like to purchase this package, since it's on the Tron blockchain, we use TRX as the currency here to purchase the package. And when we do this, we also get something called the TZC tokens. So the first package, that's called the 1-star pack. The cost of the package would be 300 TRX. Okay, so very low startup cost. 300 TRX, approximately coming to somewhere around $11 to $12 US dollars. And once we buy this package, we get 100 TZC tokens. Clear? So there's another package that is 2-star pack. For 600 TRX, we get 200 TZC tokens. So like this, there's a 3-star pack for 1500 TRX. Once we buy the package, we get 300 TZC tokens. And finally, there's a total list of the packages. So if you look at very closely, there are like 12 packages. The cost of each package is given in the mid column. And whenever we buy any package, there is this TZC tokens that are given for free of cost to us. Beautiful, amazing. So it also says this is a one-time, once in a lifetime activation. No renewal is required. Nothing is forced on us. We can start with the 1-star package, and whenever we are comfortable, whenever we can afford, we can go and buy the next level package. Now let's look at how this global program works. The Tronzy global program. Well, fine, we have purchased the package. Now, when we enter the program, that's called the Tronzy global program. Okay. Now, when we buy a package in Tronzy, what happens is this package, each and every package, is divided into 3 parts. One portion of it goes towards the 10x program, one portion goes towards the direct bonus, and one portion goes towards the level bonus. It means to say, for example, if I buy the 1-star package, the cost of the 1-star package is like 300 TRX. So out of which, when we divide it into 3 parts, that's 100 TRX goes towards the 10x program, 100 TRX goes towards direct bonus, and 100 goes towards the level bonus. Even if you look at 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, and right till the crown diamond package, whenever a package is purchased, it's automatically divided into 3 different parts. So how many transactions we need to do, how many times we need to purchase, we just need to do it once. The program is such beautifully designed that on a single click, we purchase the package and the system allocates this into 3 parts. Now let's look at Tron's 10x program. What is this Tron's 10x program and how is it going to work? Okay, so what happens in this 10x program? Yes, there is a package and we buy a package at certain amount. And how much do we get via the 10x program? For example, when we buy the 1-star pack for 300 TRX, via the 10x program, we get 3000 TRX. Okay, so because the cost of a package is 300 and via 10x program, we get 3000 TRX. That is the reason this program is named as 10x. So the cost of a package into 10 times. That's what each and every one is going to receive from the 10x program. Okay. Same way for the 2-star, it is 600 TRX is the cost of the package, and we get 6000 TRX in return. So yeah, if you have a look at all the 12 packages that are here, when somebody is going directly, buying the crown diamond package for 450,000 TRX, when they get back, they're going to get like 4.5 million TRX as the returns in this 10x program. Okay, so beautiful. So now let's look at the program workflow. When we tell people that, you get 10 times, so how do they get this? How can they make their 300 TRX to work and give us back in 10 times? So there is a small workflow that is shown here. For example, we take with the 1-star pack. Okay, so let me tell you, for each and every package, the program workflow is totally different. So now in this slide, we are going to take 1-star pack as an example. Like I came into the system, I purchased a package, the 1-star pack, I spent like 300 TRX. So the moment I buy this package, what happens is, and automatically ID is created in the system by the smart contract and it's placed in the 10x program. I am buying 1-star pack, so my ID is automatically generated by the smart contract and is placed in the 1-star 10x program. And once my ID is placed, immediately what happens is the system creates 2 empty slots under me. So it creates 2 empty slots under me. Now, what happens after this? The next random member across the globe, it might be your downline, your upline, your crossline, your team, their team, everybody's team, somebody in the community, when they refer somebody and get in a new person, that person is automatically and randomly selected by the smart contract, and that ID is placed under me. So out of my 2 empty slots, I have 1 slot filled by the next random member in the community. When that is done, I get 100 TRX. Now this 100 TRX, from the 2 slots, 1 slot is filled, the 100 TRX directly gets into the wallet. Now when the second random member is placed, what happens? Again 100 TRX. Yeah, we are speaking about 100 TRX because this is the 1-star pack we have taken as an example. Suppose we take the 2-star pack or 3-star pack. So the amount that we receive from the 10x program is different for all the packages. Now, once 2 payments are given to me, okay, what happens is my ID expires. My number 1 ID expires, and the system creates a second ID automatically and places it back into the 10x program. So we're speaking about the 1-star 10x program. For the second ID, what happens? Same. 2 slots are created, 2 people are filled. Again, I get paid 100 and 100. Like this, in the 10x program, what the smart contract actually does is, on one single click, on one single purchase, it creates an ID and it recreates the ID 15 times. So whenever it creates an ID, only if I get paid 2 times, then another ID is created. If you look at this is the 1-star 10x program workflow. Okay, so via the 1-star 10x program, because the cost of the package is 300 TRX, I get 3000 TRX. Just look at this slide. So 15 automatic IDs created in the 10x program. From each and every ID, I got 2 payments of 100 TRX. So in total, I got 30 payments of 100 TRX, which is 3000. Now this 10x program, the example that we are looking on the screen is for 1-star pack. The same happens separately for 2-star pack. Same happens separately for 3-star pack. Until the package of Crown Diamond, it's all separate 10x program pools. All right. So now moving on to the next bonus. As we have seen the 10x program. Now let us see how this direct bonus works. This direct bonus, yeah, the name suggests it's a direct bonus. So it has to do something with people that they refer into the program. So anybody who would like to join the Tron's crowdfunding program is only through an invitation. So somebody has to invite us into for joining into this community. Once we join this community, an ID number is given to us. So basically, if you look at an example, if I am here, okay, and I have reached whatever level, it can be 1-star, 2-star, 3-star, till the rank of a Crown Diamond. Okay. Now, I sponsored 1 person. So that person, whomever we sponsor directly through our referral ID, that becomes our direct team member. Now the magic happens here. Now when our direct member, when he gets into the system, he does purchase the 1-star pack. When our direct member, directly referred person, when they purchase the 1-star pack, we get 100 TRX. Now what is this 100 TRX? This is our direct bonus. So it's not only 1 person, I can refer unlimited number of people into this community. And for each and every direct member who registers with 1-star pack, I get a direct bonus of 100 TRX. Now, unlike other programs, this direct bonus program of Tronzy is totally different. Okay, it doesn't stop when my direct referral, when he's purchasing the 1-star pack, it doesn't stop there. Now, when my direct team member, when they purchase 2-star package, I get 200 TRX as my direct bonus. So in total, I have referred a person, the person has purchased first the 1-star pack, I got 100 TRX. My direct referral, the same person upgraded to 2-star pack, I got 200 TRX. Now if I total this, it's like I made like 300 TRX from a single referral purchasing 2 packages. Okay, now what happens next? When my direct referred person purchases 3-star pack, I get 500 TRX again. So how many packages in the direct bonus? There are like 12 packages. So whenever our directly referred person purchases, upgrades to the next level, we keep getting paid on each and every purchase. Now, the example that I'm showing you on the screen is from one person. So if I recruited one person, motivated them, taught them about the system, and took them to the level of the Crown Diamond, how much amount do we make? We make like 330,000 TRX. This is the most amazing bonus. We work directly with all our direct team members. It's not just one person. We can sponsor unlimited number of people, and whenever they keep upgrading, we start getting a direct bonus. So this is a reference chart. All my directs, whenever they buy the package, the amount of direct bonus that I receive is displayed on the right side. So I move forward now. So we have seen the 10x program. We know how the direct bonus works. There are two different programs. 10x program was different. Direct bonus was different. Now, this is the third variety of bonus that we can earn through Tronzy Global program. That is our level bonus. Now, this level bonus, again, is based on the people whom we invite into our team, into our community via our referral link. Okay. So, Trons level bonus, let me run through a quick illustration on this. See, for example, I am here, I got into the system. Now, for me to buy any package, there is no time. I can straight away come into the system, buy the 1-star pack, 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, 5-star. I can straight away go like that and complete my 12th package. That is a Crown Diamond package also. The moment I buy the package, what happens simultaneously is that package 10x program starts automatically, right? Now, for once I do this, and now let's say, if I have referred one person, if you remember the previous slide, when we refer somebody, they become our direct contact. So all the direct members whom we refer are placed on our level 1. Okay. And now the person whom I have referred in level 1, I can have one person, I can have 10 people, I can have 100, I can have unlimited. Whenever they refer somebody into the system, they are placed under them. So for me, all my indirects, my directs, direct is placed in my level 2. And when these level 2 members, when they invite new people to join this Trons crowdfunding program, they all are placed in a level 3. And so on and so forth. People keep sponsoring each other, and till 12. The reason why I'm showing you till 12 levels is because the Trons level bonus program, it pays us 12 levels deep. Now, how does this bonus work? When do we get this bonus? It's all instant. Now, if you look at the slide, my level 1, when they have purchased 1-star, obviously it's understood that everybody who gets into the system have to buy the 1-star package. Now, when my level 1 person, they have purchased the 1-star pack, what did I get till now? I got 100 TRX as a direct bonus. But now, because they are placed in my level 1, I again get 100 TRX as my level bonus. So basically, it's like if all the directs whom we refer, we get direct bonus. Because they are placed in level 1, we again get level bonus as well. So direct bonus and level bonus. Instantly, if you refer somebody, they come in with the 1-star pack. So how much do I make? I make 200 TRX, 100 as direct bonus and 100 from the level bonus. Now, what happens when my level 2 people, when they buy 1-star pack, we do not get anything. When they buy any pack, we do not get anything. But whenever the people in my level 1, whichever day, they upgrade themselves to 2-star, okay, I get paid 200 TRX from each and every person in my level 2 whenever they buy the 2-star pack. Now, this is how the level bonus works. Level 3, when my team members in my level 3 team, okay, when they buy the 3-star pack, they're going to do it someday or the other. They are going to upgrade themselves because the people in my level 2 are going to motivate. They're going to inspire them to move to higher ranks. So whenever this happens, the people in my level 3, when they go and buy 3-star pack, I get paid 500 TRX from each and every person in my level 3 whoever upgrades to the 3-star pack. Now, this is the beauty. This is the biggest bonus of the Trons program. The biggest program where you can just, refer one person, 2 person, motivate them, train them, ask them how to recruit. When you promote them and when they start building the teams, this is the kind of income that you're going to receive. So from 4th level, 4-star, you get 800 TRX from each and every member. fifth level, whenever they buy a 5-star pack, it can be one single person, guys, or it can be 100 people or 1,000 people. You never know how many people are going to come in your level 5. Okay, like this till level 12. Now, if you look at this structure, the beauty about this structure is, I just did one single referral. You don't need to have hundreds of people getting into the program directly. Even if you have one single person, and that one single person brings another single person, okay, and one under one. So if you look at this program, it's just 12 people in your team, but still, if you look at the amount that you can make, you need to support them, teach them, and motivate. Ultimately, with one single leg, with one single person, you can still make a whopping 330,000 TRX. That is different from the direct bonus. This level bonus is different. This is the combination, the power of Tron's compensation plan. You can say it as a working plan. You can say it as a partnership income. You can count it as your business. This can be your side business, your part-time business, your time pass business, or your serious business. But once you do it, this is the amount of TRX that you're going to earn. In the previous slide, we saw when we motivated one single person, that's the amount that we can make. But if you motivate two people, look at this slide. There is an example of two partners. You just motivated two people. Those two people, they duplicate what you have taught them. They each of them go and bring in two more. And once this reaches 12 levels, and someday everybody is going to upgrade. Everybody is going to upgrade. You can just make 869 million TRX from the level bonus. And if you look at if you take some more time and say you have sponsored 3 directs, taught them, motivated them, brought them into these Zoom calls, spoke to them about the Trons community, look at the major difference. It's 99 billion TRX. There's a chance of making 99 billion TRX. Now this might happen very soon. It might happen after a year. It might happen after 2 years, 3 years. No matter whenever it happens. But once it happens, this is the real-time money that we are going to make from the Tronzy crowdfunding program. And the best part is this amount which is displayed on each and every action of ours, whether it's the direct bonus or the level bonus. How much time do we need to wait for this to be credited into our wallet? There is no waiting time. Every action that happens in the smart contract, the money is directly sent to your TRX wallet. So this is how the 3 programs work. With the next program, which is different, direct bonus, which is different, and level bonus, third different kind of a bonus. Okay, so in the beginning, if you remember, we spoke about the crowdfunding program and this TZC tokens for this Tronzy. That's what makes this different from what is there right now in the market. Right now, there might be so many crowdfunding platforms, there might be so many programs out there on smart contract, but Tronzy is totally special. It's different because it's combining the power of crowdfunding and fueling the community with the new TZC token. Now, this TZC token, the people who have created this, they are visionaries, they are thinkers. They wanted to have a value for the token that they have. They are going to get it on the Tron's blockchain. If you look at the roadmap, what they say is the total supply of TZC token is 360 million. Out of this 360 million, first allocation of 72 million has gone towards the Tron's community. When we are referring to this community, it is the same crowdfunding community. So the first 72 million tokens of TZC are going to be distributed first for all these community members. When 72 million tokens, just imagine this, 72 million tokens given freely to so many community people across the globe. That would make this TZC token really powerful. Now, yes, it's true that you get this token for free, but before even the crowdfunding platform launches this TZC token for you, they're also going to launch a gaming platform and they're also going to have a internal exchange. Guys, this is really, really important. Out there in the market, whenever you see a token on TRC10 or any other token, okay, there is a holding time. People promise big things, but Tron's community, this TZC token, right from day one, it's like from the moment you purchase it, yes, there is a gaming platform. You can go straight away, spend your EZC tokens there. You can win lots of amounts in your gaming platform, or you can directly go to the exchange your tokens for whichever currency you want. As per my knowledge, as per the information that I have on this particular exchange, you go with the TZC token. You can convert it into Trons, you can convert it into Bitcoin, you can convert it into Ethereum, any coin of your choice on this in this internal exchange. Okay, now looking at the strategy, a beautiful strategy that has been designed. This TZC token, the 72 millions, they're going to be distributed phase wise. So when the first phase starts, when does it start? Immediately, within 7 days, phase 1 is going to start. And for phase 1, out of the 72 millions, for phase 1, there is 14.4 million that has been allocated for phase 1. So why this phase is really important? Because there is this prize. In phase 1, whoever has got the TZC tokens, in phase 1, you can go to the internal exchange and exchange it for 1 cent. But it's up to you whether you'd like to exchange it on the spot or you would like to wait for phase 2. In phase 2, again 14.4 million tokens would be allocated to the new people who are going to join this community. But the price, if you look at this, observe the price, it moved from 1 cent, it shooted up to 3 cents. So all people who are coming in phase 1, when they are being given TZC tokens, either they can hold it, sell it in phase 1, or wait till phase 2 starts. That's because your every token, it's going to double its value. Or not double, I would say, it's going to triple its value. From 1 cent, you're jumping to 3 cents. Now, phase 3, if you look at the phase 3, it's going to jump to 5 cents. Phase 4, it's going to jump to 7 cents. And phase 5, it's going to jump to 9 cents. And after phase 5, what's going to happen? It's going to fix at 10 cents and it's going to list in all the top exchanges. Now, apart from this, in the roadmap, we also have the vision of the people running this TZC, taking it very seriously. In second quarter of 2021, this TZC token is going to be accepted in most of the gaming industry, entertainment industry. It's a huge platform. So TZC token totally focusing on entertainment industry and gaming industry, because even the Tron network, the Tronix coin that we are using here on the Tron network, they are also super focused on the entertainment industry. So in quarter 3 of 2021, it's going to have a huge gaming industry. Today, if they're launching with 10 gaming sites, by quarter 3 2020, it can be like 100 to 500 to 600 gaming sites, which will start accepting TZC token as a medium of exchange of the currency. Now, quarter 4 2021, they are going to go to their own mainnet migration is going to happen. And in 2022, they're going to swap this TRX20 to their mainnet coin. So more information about this can be found out on the TZC token. They have a separate website for this where we can find the white paper of TZC token, how it's going to spike its value, how much is going to be the airdrop, and what are all the next upcoming events that they're going to do to keep raising the value of this TZC token. Now they have a beautiful price strategy here. This price strategy, again, it's applicable to the first 72 million that they have given to the Tronzy crowdfunding community. If you look at this, the 1-star pack. Now, when this community, the crowdfunding program is going to launch, when we go and buy the 1-star pack, we are going to get 100 TZC tokens. Till when? Till 14.4 million is completed, we keep getting 100 TZC tokens. When it moves to phase 2, people who come in phase 2, when they buy the 1-star pack, they get only 80 TZC tokens. Like that, it keeps declining. So phase 5, in the last phase, when people come in, when they buy the 1-star pack, they would just get 10 TZC tokens. So this is the token price strategy applicable to all the packages. So as we know, it's going to launch soon. We would be in phase 1. So whenever we buy a package, the phase 1, as per the phase 1 allocation, this is going to be immediately issued to us TZC token. Now there is this TZC allocation bifurcation again. As you know, 72 million for the crowdfunding community, 20% has been allocated. Apart from that, 64.8 million is going towards marketing and promotion. Now there is something called a bounty that they're going to have, 7.2 million. Now, the major part of this, there is a 36%, 129 million. We have reserved it for operations and on gaming platform. Yes, like every other token which is right now in the industry. They have their advisors, they have the legal team, they have allocated some percentage of tokens for them, and they're also founders. The founding members who have created this token, they would be holding the 15% of the total token allocation, which is going to be locked for 48 months. So now, all the allocation that we are showing here, now this is going to be automatically be done by the smart contract. One click, we purchase the package, and the next moment you can see the T50 tokens in your TRX wallet. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope all of us have understood what we discussed here. Now there is this Facebook channel, also the Telegram channel, for more updates on when this is going to launch and how things are going to happen. So all this information can be found on the Telegram channel. Thank you so much for listening to this program. Get ready with your Tron Link and Tron wallet. Okay, so this program is going to launch very soon. All the best. So I hope each and every one of you will join this Telegram channel and look for more updates. Thank you so much.